Hey there, families! Looking for a fun and tasty activity to do with your little ones? Let's make banana pancakes together. This simple recipe is perfect for kids aged 4 and up. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 ripe bananas, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Ready? Let's get started. In a large bowl, mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. This is a great step for kids to practice their mixing skills. In another bowl, mash the bananas with a fork until they are smooth. Now, whisk in the egg, milk, and melted butter to the mashed bananas. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. It's okay if the batter is a little lumpy. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it with a bit of butter. Using a ladle, pour small circles of batter onto the skillet. When you see bubbles forming on the surface, it's time to flip the pancakes. Cook until golden brown on both sides. Serve your delicious banana pancakes with a drizzle of maple syrup or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Enjoy this sweet and simple recipe, perfect for a cozy morning with your kids.